Hello, welcome to Splotch Watercolor Art and Inspiration. My name is Eva Mejia. I love painting and drawing and sketching, but mostly I love splotching. Big drops of gulp of paint, splotches on a surface, and get creative. And the end result will be magic, because you never know what you're going to end up with. But for today, I just want to show you some of my sketches, some of my drawings, and so let's get started. So this is back in, in this year, I drew her on here. So I do warrior princesses and fantasy medieval drawings. So I do love this one. I drew this one in 2018, and then this one in 2018 as well. And then also I love this one because she has great big hair. I do need to practice a little bit more on the eyes, but I'm trying. So this one's in 2018 as well. And I do like this one. She's a warrior princess with two swords. And so this one I did in this year, 2019. And then here's a little mermaid in 2018. And here's her beautiful fintail. And here's another little mermaid in 2018 as well. I like her, she's cute. And then here's my sketches where I'm just kind of practicing with the hands on there and some more hands. And then here's some lip sketches and an eye sketch. And then I like this one because I was practicing on how fabric would drape down in folds. So that's that one. And then I was practicing on wings here on this one. And then right here I actually colored in a wing. So I was practicing on that. And this here is just doodling. I was just doodling, just kind of, I do like that little cute bug, whatever it is on there, isn't it cute? And a happy cloud. Anyway, now these are some of my random watercolor paintings on where I do not know what I'm going to come out with. I just get in there with a brush and I just start splotching and getting into the brush. There is a video on this one that was one of my first videos. I do have to apologize on that video, guys, because I truly I was just, you know, rambling on, and none of what I was saying was actually making connection to anything that I was saying. So this is something that I just came up with as far as when after I apply paint, not splotches, but after I just kind of with a brush, and then I see and I draw what I see. Or sketch what I see, so like a doodling sort of. So that's that one, and that was this year. And the same thing with this one. I do love this one. It's the same thing. I just started doing you know, random paint brushes, you know, brush strokes on there, and that's what I come up with. And then this is one that I just did a few days ago. This is just using this creative paint palette. They're very, the paints are like, sort of like, they dry up chalky like, but this is a cute one. Now I do like this one. This one has like a glimmer to it, so I do like that. I think I'll stick to the glimmer when I do these, unless I find some other watercolors that I like. But this one's kind of more like, dries up like chalk. Anyway, so there's that. And then I do want to show you some other ones. So I do have these, and so here's one of my warrior princesses in 2019, and these are framed, and here's another one for 2019 as well, and then here's another one for 2019. She's pretty. And here is this one in 2019. I've had people tell me that this one here reminds them of a singer. I have no idea. I don't remember now who they said that it reminded them of, but it's a singer out there, so I don't know. But anyway, and hold on, I want to show you one really quick one. Okay, so here's this one that I also drew, but this one's a whole length picture here. I drew it in 2019. So there you go. She's also very beautiful. So these are the sketches I was talking about that I would probably have to do these on speed, like speed art, because they do take a long time to sketch and to do, possibly an hour, mainly 2 or 3. It depends on how much detail and depth you want to get into. Now I can tell that I could do a lot more on the folds, a lot more darkening and shading and things like that to bring it more out, more vibrant. One thing I did learn, you don't want to show realistically how our arms actually look, as we basically these are like the muscle tones right here, but you don't want to do that in when you're drawing, because it kind of looks, I don't know, it doesn't look, it looks, to me it reminds me of like something not very dainty or smooth, I should say, for lack of a better word. But anyway, thank you so much, guys, for joining in, and for always tuning into my channel. Please subscribe and like and click on that little bell so you get notifications of when I load up a different one. Also, I wanted to show you, I do digital as well. So this is my daughter here, in which I created her picture that way, and then I have a lot more here, and just come down a little bit. And this is one of mine here. It's on my, actually it's on my channel, so that's me there. And then here's another one of my daughter right here. Isn't that cool right there? That's really cool. And this is digital with my Intuos Pro tablet, and I do love this one. This is back to my sketching. She's very pretty. I don't know if you can see her on there. Oh, probably not, but she's very, very gorgeous. Anyway, I have to redraw her again because I think I gave that away to my granddaughter. And then here's another one on there, and then here's another one. I do love her also. Aren't they beautiful? Yeah, so there you go. So that's that one, and this one, and this one. She is gorgeous. I don't know if you can see that. She's really, really light. She's not coming in at all how she should be. Anyway, thank you again, and let me give you today's inspiration. So today's inspiration is, hold on just a second and I'll get it for you. And it is, art washes away from the soul the dust of everyday life. And that was from artist Pablo Picasso. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining in. And as always, enjoy life, be happy, because life is beautiful. Be safe. Bye-bye.